On a roll, understanding this popular English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and commonly used English phrase, on a roll. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding phrases like these can really bring your English to life. So, let's roll right into it. On a roll is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. When someone says they are on a roll, they mean they are experiencing a continuous streak of success or good luck. It's often used when someone is doing well in a variety of settings, like in games, at work, or while performing a task. The phrase, on a roll, likely comes from gambling, particularly games where dice are rolled, like craps. When a player is having a winning streak, and the dice keep landing in their favor, they might say they are on a roll. This expression has transcended gambling and is now used in everyday language to describe any form of success streak. 1. After winning 3 games in a row, our team is really on a roll. 2. You've been getting all the answers right. You're on a roll today. 3. With several successful projects completed, the design team is definitely on a roll. These examples show how versatile the phrase is. It can be used in sports, education, work, and many other contexts. There are a few variations or similar phrases like, on a winning streak, or, in a groove. While these can have similar meanings, on a roll has a uniquely positive and energetic connotation. This phrase is informal and best used in casual conversations or informal writing. It's not typically used in formal contexts. Remember, it's a great phrase to express ongoing success or good performance. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, on a roll. We hope you're feeling confident in using this phrase in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and maybe you'll find yourself on a roll with your English learning journey. See you in our next video, and keep up the great work.